Dog. She is tutoring her young master in her homework. The boy is holding a math book and asking, "What is the square root of 9?" Replied the dog. It's a dog called Bingo. It's not just IQs. He is also proficient in a variety of human skills. The driving thing, for that matter, it's not worth mentioning. Morse code is in front of it. It's a piece of cake, and to say the best, that still has to be sulking girls happy. Bingo grew up in a circus. Because he won't jump, he was driven out by an unscrupulous master with a gun, and became a stray dog. On the road, he met a boy who was drowning. Bingo unzipped the boy's clothes. Keep breathing smoothly, and then with his front paws, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. But the strength is too small. The boy did not respond. Bingo laid his head on the boy's chest again. Confirm heartbeat, and run to the broken bridge. Find out where the boy is. Run with energy. Take off by force. The boy was saved. Through the dog tags, he knows Bingo's name. In return for saving my life, the boy decided to adopt Bingo, but because parents forbid dogs, he had to smuggle Bingo home. Who knows in the yard? Bingo was mesmerized by Teddy next door. He wouldn't leave. The boy had to pick it up. Now is not the time to flirt. And the next few days, Bingo is on time every day. Climb in front of the window, wave goodbye to the boy, then estimate the time when the boy is out of school. Stay at the door, waiting anxiously, but he's not welcoming the young master. It's the real thing. Little by little, the boy found out. Bingo has an IQ of. It's not like a dog. Skateboarding can be learned with a glance. Go to the arcade and play a racing game. Like an old chauffeur, there's someone in the room, even on weekends, and tutor him in his homework. This left the boy confused for a while. Who is the owner, and who is a pet? And the naughty Bingo, and play hide and seek with little boys. The boy who couldn't find Bingo. I'm starting to get anxious. Calling for Bingo, until Bingo comes out of the barrel. He was relieved. The boy chewed the jeans of Bingo angrily. Don't play this game anymore, because he has no friends. Only Bingo would play with him, so he was very afraid of losing. This is my own best friend. And Bingo listened while Chop pulled his ear. It's like, never again. But the good times didn't last. The boy's father was transferred to another job. The family is moving far away. Before departure, the boy called from place to place. No Bingo at all. So last night, it has flowers in its mouth. With champagne. Go find the teddy you like, and spent the night in each other's kennels. Wait till it wakes up the next day. The boy was found to have left by car. Bingo fought to catch up, but it soon ran out of steam. And I couldn't catch up. It's aimless. Just wandering around. It's like it's a stray dog. The cool sun is empty. Bingo was tired and thirsty. It's starting to hallucinate. It's like seeing your own little master, waving to himself with a kettle in his hand. And back to reality. Bingo collapsed on the floor, dying. Fortunately, there is a good Samaritan. Brought it home, and found out after entering the door. What kind of person is this? It's just a dog dealer in dog meat. They pick a stray dog that no one wants. Dog is breaking out of prison. The other dog stuck the mirror out of the cage. Keep watch for him. Once you see the dog dealer show up, set off the alarm immediately. Bingo hurriedly drew himself back. Cover the cave with a mat. The dog dealer took out a dog, trying to make a hot dog, and then suddenly the kitchen came. The screams of his wife. The dog dealer hurried back to check it out. Bingo took his chance, climbing out of a dugout cave, and put all the dogs. It's all been liberated. Under its leadership, the dogs surround the dog dealer and his wife. Give him back what he gave him. Put them in the cage on the pickup truck. Bingo in front, steering the car, and the kids are behind it. As the car started, Bingo jumped out in time. Let the dog dealer, along with their cars, into the slaughterhouse. Dogs who have regained their freedom. Under Bingo's leadership, crowds of people were marching along the railway, but when we got to the intersection, Bingo stopped. The little brothers looked at it in bewilderment. Bingo knows, always have to be apart one day. Stray dogs, though, are free, but there's no end. Compared to this, Bingo prefers the warmth of home, hoping to return to the little master. And so he said to his friends, wave goodbye, and never looked back. Embark on a new adventure again. After a long day's trek, Bingo met two men. Curly is a dog lover. He looked at Bingo pitifully, so he took it to the RV for a rest. But Bingo soon found out who they really are. Turns out these two are kidnappers. Hijacked a family of 4. Locked up in a cell. Bingo didn't make a move. It's waiting for the kidnapper to fall asleep and sneak out of the trailer. A police call was made. The listener doesn't understand dog language, so he called the sheriff. Bingo rapped the phone regularly. The police chief was upset.
Give me your pencil. It's Morse code.
Based on positioning, the police have located the place of the crime. Bingo also began a rescue operation, untying the family quietly, get them out of the RV. But that's when the little girl was careless, woke up the bearded man. Bingo is very brave, and made a dive for it. And at the same time, the police have also arrived, and surround them, in a hurry. Curly hair carrying Bingo. Act like a dog.
One move and the dog gets it!
but it's obviously not working. After a volley of shots, the two foolish bandits had to surrender with a white flag. He was arrested by the police. Very soon, Bingo Saves Lives was put on television as news. The scene happened to be seen by the boy, so he hurriedly wrote an email. I hope Bingo comes back to him. But now the Bingo has been adopted by the little girl's family into a dress-up little dude. It's not harmful, but repentance is strong, and the weak and helpless Bingo didn't wait for the boy's mail. Got a subpoena from the court.
And do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Court, a sheepdog, as a witness. Dog. For a while ago, robbery testifying in court, and the court invited him here. A 10th-rate scholar of dog language, proceeding with court proceedings.
Your Honor, could we have the court reporter read back the dog's testimony?
At the lawyer's inquiry, Bingo went to the dock. The criminal was identified with righteous words. Didn't expect it, only to be bitten by the opposing counsel. Claimed to be at the crime scene. Found dog prints and excrement. Evidence, all pointing to the dog is the real area. The opposing lawyer made a solemn judgment. It was the dog that robbed and kidnapped the family of 4, and then planted it. His client, the judge, told Bingo, "Give me an alibi." Bingo feels wrong. I can't say for a reason. That's what it's thinking. I may not be human, but you're real dogs. About being a dog, I still have to learn from you. Bingo can't help it. Provide an alibi. Was convicted as an accomplice. Went to jail. Inside the cell, Bingo finally got it. A letter sent to it by the boy. It makes inmates read it to themselves. Words and words reveal true feelings. Even the bespectacled man was moved. Bingo found out. Turns out my own little master. I've been thinking about myself. This is all the more determined. His conviction to escape. I can't say anything else. Just the escape from prison. Bingo is an absolute expert. To dig a tunnel expertly in a cell. Inmates. Then take a mirror and watch for it. Wait till night. Inmates place fake dog heads on beds. And then Bingo and climbed out of the hole together. Bingo will take the prisoner's body as a springboard to leap over a high wall, and then from the outside, and get the inmates out of jail. After they said goodbye to each other, Bingo is back again. The boundless search for the master of the road. After a long journey, Bingo's finally found it. The boy's new home. See yourself, the master of the mind. He ran over excitedly, and then it suddenly hit me. The boy led another dog. Original, you already have another dog. Bingo Vinegar was in full bloom, and leave in disgrace, but it doesn't know. This is just a boy, helping the neighbor's grandma. Just a dog patrol.
And here's your dollar bill. Well, he's a good dog. Of course, he's not like Bingo. But then again, no dog is.
At night, hungry Bingo prayed for the humans to give it some food, and was rejected without mercy. It can only be in the trash. Looking for food, a chef found it, took it to the back of the kitchen. Make it clean. A plate full of grease. That's as efficient as it gets. Let the waiter who washed the dishes before are feeling the crisis of their careers. That's it. Bingo's got one. It's your job. From stray dogs, upgrade to a working dog. But the good times didn't last. One day, on his way home from work, suddenly he's got someone around his neck. Take a closer look. It was the kidnapper duo before it. After their escape from prison, we're looking for Bingo. Want to get past the humiliation. Bingo struggles. Just happened to be seen by a passing boy.
Let go of my dog!
Bingo struggles. Just happened to be seen by a passing boy.
Let go of my dog!
To save Bingo, he rode up on his bike. Under his cover, Bingo managed to escape, but the boy was caught. To save the little master, Bingo's quiet, lurking on top of the car, followed the robbers to a place, a shabby factory. Looking at the little master tied up, Bingo knows a dog can't fight a four-handed man, so it decided to outsmart itself. Before the kidnapper notices, it slipped into the warehouse, take the boy's hat away, found his family. Too bad they don't understand dog language. Thought it was some kind of prank, and that's when the boy's mother picked up the kidnapper. That was a ransom call, and then she realized our son is in danger, and Bingo's side have decided to take the plunge. First it used the sound to attract the attention of the band, and then with the help of topographical advantages, split teeth, swoop down, one bite at on a bearded man's ass. But in the end, Bingo is still in the hands of the kidnappers. To punish the dog, the two kidnappers decided, blow them up with a time bomb. But I didn't expect the house to be. Their littered cigarette butts were lit. The policeman then looked for the door. The two kidnappers had to drive on the run. In the warehouse, a loose dog, in a state of anxiety, helping the young master unbind. But the fires are getting hotter. The little boy asked the dog, get the fire alarm, facing the sea of fire in front of it. Bingo, who has always been fearless, and then it stopped. Turns out when he was a kid, because of a fire, causing it to lose a loved one. Since then, it becomes very afraid of fire. But seeing the little master who's passed out, Bingo plucked up his courage. Over the circle of fire, to overcome the demons of the heart, the alarm went off. The fireman who came at the news, the fire was successfully put out. But it's not dangerous. This is the end, because of the bomb left by the kidnapper. Haven't found it yet. Bingo, on the other hand, has a keen sense of it's locked fast, a box containing a bomb, and quickly carried it away. The robber on the other side, in the middle of nowhere, decided to press the detonator. The bomb exploded in a safe area, and Bingo didn't come back. The boy was heartbroken, passed out. When he wakes up again, found himself lying in the hospital. His parents told him, Bingo's still alive. Then take the boy to see the dog. Outside the ward, it's the dogs before Bingo. In the ward, and it's all crowded. They're all here for fame. Others are, with the help of Bingo, or helped Bingo. On the sickbed, the boy met at last. Bingo wounded, he pleaded with his father, let yourself adopt Bingo. And under the gaze of the crowd, Dad couldn't get away with it either.
Sure, son.